Hello everyone, in this video we are going to have a talk on FaceDAO cryptocurrency. The current price chart of FaceDAO token is $0.501706 and it is 47% up. Means in 24 hours FaceDAO token has given a return of 47%. Means if anyone has invested $100 in this, then he must be in a profit of above $140. So we will talk more about FaceDAO token like trading volume, and here you can see anything regarding trading volume. Neither we can see anything regarding market dominance, but the market rank of FaceDAO is 10,016 coin market cap, and more than 13,000 people has kept FaceDAO token in a watch list in coin market cap. Now the main question, from where you can buy FaceDAO token. Some platform from where you can buy FaceDAO token. So the platform name is who is the platform from where you can buy FaceDAO token. So I hope you watched the video till end, and who is the platform from where you can buy FaceDAO token. One more thing, if you want to invest in any cryptocurrency, then please invest it at your own risk. I am just here to show you the current price chart of a cryptocurrency. If you want to invest, then please invest it at your own risk or by doing some proper research. Thank you for watching my video.